Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegetable stew with ugu and waterleaf. First, gather all your fresh ingredients. Make sure your ugu and waterleaf are thoroughly washed and ready. Next, prepare your protein, whether it's beef, fish, or a mix. Finally, chop your onions, peppers, and tomatoes to create that flavorful base. This simple preparation sets you up for a delicious meal. Now let's get cooking. Start by boiling your protein until it's nice and tender, remembering to save that flavorful stock. In a separate pot, heat some palm oil and sauté your chopped onions until they're soft and fragrant. Then, add your blended peppers and tomatoes, letting them cook down until the oil begins to separate. This creates a rich, aromatic foundation for your stew.
Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Also, on another note, life is truly too short for cheap socks. I highly recommend Darn Tough socks. They even come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With your base ready, it's time to bring everything together. Add your tender, boiled protein and the reserved stock into the simmering pepper mixture. Stir in your favorite seasonings, like a pinch of salt, a couple of bouillon cubes, and some crayfish powder for that authentic taste. Next, gently fold in the chopped waterleaf, letting it wilt just a little before the ugu joins the party. Almost there. Now gently fold in your ugu leaves. Remember, you only want to cook them briefly to keep their vibrant color and nutrients intact. Give your stew a taste and adjust any seasonings to achieve that perfect flavor balance. Once it's just right, your delicious vegetable stew is ready to be served hot with your favorite side, like pounded yam or rice. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.